Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a quick blurred text tutorial. Really easy one. Grab your type tool, you can find it over here, or press T on your keyboard. You want to resize it, then choose the font you want to use. I'm gonna make it black. Right. We're gonna press Command J on your keyboard. That is to make a copy of our text. Otherwise, you can just click and drag it onto this plus sign and it will make a copy of it. Right click and we're gonna rasterize our type. We're gonna hide this. We'll just keep it in case we mess up. You can click here and grab your elliptical marquee tool. We're going to make a circle. I want to blur this corner right over here. So make your selection. Then grab your smudge tool. You're going to smudge it. The cool thing is it will only affect the part of the letter that is selected. So as you can see, it's not going to blur over here. When you're happy with it, Command D to deselect, and you get this really cool, smudgy, but at the same time, really precise and sharp blur. Now you can keep doing that for whichever parts of your letters you want. Or you can just blur it without selecting anything first. You just click and wiggle it around. You can then try changing the different modes and strength of it and all that kind of stuff. And that's basically it. It's pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe, comment if you have any tutorial requests. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.